market outlook. So today we had a pretty strong day out of the market as we got news that Trump was leaving the hospital that he was in over the weekend for coronavirus. You know, all of a sudden we're in this huge headline-driven market. The three top headlines to look out for is the stimulus package news. Market wants that really badly. Trump with coronavirus, him healing or him making it through, very big positive for the market. And what was the third thing we were talking about?
Ones, twos, threes.
Finger man, I heard about you.
Oh, lockdowns. All right, so, and then New York City's starting a lockdown thing, so we have to watch for that trade to come back. You know, the Zoom videos and the Pelotons of the world that really benefit from lockdowns, which were all strong today. So those are kind of the three things I'm looking for. Technical wise, you know, we pushed past an important area of resistance today in the S&P. We're approaching that 342, 343, 344 area, which has been heavy resistance. So that'll be a huge tell in the market if we get up there. If we can blast through that area, you know, you would think that that's on track to being new highs. If we fail that area, you would imagine we're going to stay in this choppy period. I'm remaining pretty bullish from a macro standpoint, but this week I'm not so sure with all the news and up until the election. But yeah, I mean, you know, market's still pretty strong since we got that turnaround last week or the end of 2 weeks ago. But what do you got? What you think, Bennett?
No, mine is literally the same. It's, you know, we're in the same range, 320 to 340, 340 heavy resistance. As long as we're above 320, I think we're doing solid. So again, I don't want to waste too much time on that because it's literally verbatim what you said. One thing I would want to add is the industrial sector has been setting up probably the best among the other sectors, you know, not being too extended or, you know, any crazy valuation stocks in there. Some of the leaders in the industrial sector. We have UNP, HON, LMT, Triple M, and CAT. Those are some of the larger cap names in that space. So some names to keep an eye on. And again, if you're still watching us, you know, drop us a little thumbs up.